Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to create AI agents in Microsoft Copilot step by step. So let's get into it. Step 1. Open Microsoft Copilot and sign in with your Microsoft 365 account. Step 2. Click on the Agents menu and select Create New Agent. Step 3. Enter a name and description for your agent. Then choose a role, such as data analyzer or assistant. Step 4. Define trigger phrases that will activate the agent during conversations. Step 5. Configure your actions. Select tasks like drafting emails, summarizing documents, or running queries. Step 6. Customize responses and permissions so your agent behaves appropriately in your environment. And then step 7, test the agent by interacting with Copilot and ensure it responds correctly. And that's how you build an AI agent in Copilot. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.